Triangle ABC lies on the coordinate plane with vertices located at A, 8, 6, B, 2, -5, and C, -5, 1. The triangle is transformed using the rule xy is transformed into x plus 3, 2y to create triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Determine the coordinates of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. All right, so here what we're going to do is we're going to use the rule that they give us, and we're going to apply this rule to the coordinates of point A, point B, and point C to find their new transformed coordinates. So the rule here is telling us for any ordered pair xy, to find your new x coordinate, you're going to take your original x value and add 3 to it. And then to find your new y value, you're going to take your original y value and multiply it by 2. So when you have a 2y, that means 2 times y. So it's saying take your y value and multiply it by 2. So if we look here, the original coordinates of point A are 8, 6. So we're going to take the x and y values and apply this rule to them. Remember, when you have an ordered pair, the first number is your x value, and then the second one is your y value. So in all my ordered pairs here, my x values are written in red, my y values are written in blue. All right, so the rule says that we need to take our x value and add 3. So this is going to turn into 8 plus 3, comma, then for our y value, we need to do 2 times y, 2 times 6. So you substitute your original coordinates into the rule, and then you simplify. So 8 plus 3, we can type that in Desmos if we need to. We know that's 11. And then 2 times 6 is 12. So here, the coordinates of A prime, so our transformed A coordinate, would be 11, 12. Our new x value is 11. Our new y value is 12. So then you're going to go through and you're going to do the same thing for point B and point C. So for B, you're substituting 2 in for x, -5 in for y. You're applying the rule and simplifying. So you have to do 2 plus 3 to find the new x coordinate. You have to do 2 times -5 to find the new y coordinate. In point C, if we want to find point C prime, we need to take our x coordinate, which is -5, and add that to 3, because our rule says to take x plus 3. And then we have to take our y coordinate, which is 1, and multiply that by 2, because our rule says to find the new y value, we do 2 times 1. So you're going to do those on your own right now.